Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cash advances from Amex credit cards and avoid surprises. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw cash advances from your American Express credit card, you need to follow several steps carefully. First, ensure that you have your American Express credit card with you. Next, check your credit card agreement for the cash advance limit. You can find this information in your cardholder statement or by logging into your online account. Keep in mind that the cash advance limit may be lower than your overall credit limit. Once you verify your limit, locate the nearest ATM that accepts American Express cards. When you reach the ATM, insert your credit card into the machine. Follow the prompts to select the cash advance option. Enter your personal identification number, or PIN, when prompted. If you do not have a PIN, you will need to contact American Express to set one up. After entering your PIN, specify the amount of cash you wish to withdraw, being mindful of your cash advance limit. Review any fees associated with cash advances. American Express typically charges a fee for cash withdrawals, so it's crucial to be aware of this beforehand. Confirm the transaction, and the ATM will dispense your cash. Keep the receipt for your records, as this will help you track your spending. Consider any additional interest charges that may apply to cash advances. Remember that interest on cash advances usually starts accruing immediately. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out to American Express customer service. Monitor your account closely after the withdrawal to manage your balance effectively. By following these steps, you can withdraw cash advances from your Amex credit card without any unexpected surprises. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.